We bought a Jeep. Oh yes, I finally did it. After all this time of saying I needed a new car. Well, not a new car, I needed a winter beater. We got a winter beater. Welcome, the 2002 Grand Cherokee. I bought it sight unseen. They said it ran good, it drove, four-wheel drive worked, little rusty, not a big deal. Yeah, 214,000 miles on it. As you can see, it's not in the worst condition. All the trim needs to get painted over. We already know that. It's a given. That's a little rusty. It's just, yeah. I'm actually going to hopefully find a fender for that today. And the other side, we have a little bit of rust over here. Looks like somebody scraped it out and tried to paint over it. Those are all my fingerprints from fucking with it. Cloudy headlights per usual. I already have those on order to replace them because I can't see jack shit. Tires have decent life on them. You know, they'll hold me off for a little bit until the summer comes. Now it is full of stuff because I've been moving around, but yes, my GoPro. It's not a lot of storage places. The cup holders suck, but I got some Rotella T5 because everyone says to use that. But other than that, it's clean. There's the back seats. Back seats are also clean. We'll talk about this later. Cup holders, plastic. These go here. And this is like it's clean. I mean, it's clean. Roof racks. Now the trunk glass struts don't work. The hatch struts didn't work either, but I already replaced those from day one. Huge trunk. Like I'm very surprised. Huge trunk. I went to the junkyard already. I put that in. You saw I already lifted that piece of plastic that was behind the seat. That was this. I wanted one of them that closes to hide my stuff. So now we have one that closes. We have a full-size spare down there. Yeah, like I said, we got to replace the hatch struts on glass. A little rusty down here, not a big deal. Underbody again is a little rusty. It's nothing crazy. It's what you expect for a 20-year-old car. Door panel, little cut in there. Seats are fine. Power seats work. Everything works. Let's climb inside because it's kind of cold. Where did I put that key? I got one key with a remote for it. I'm gonna order another one, or go to the dealership. I mean, go get another one because I think you have to go to the dealership to get these because they have the Century key system. Starts right up. Only light on the dash is the airbag light, which I don't care about. Now the light bulbs for this end and that end were burnt, so I replaced those. I went to the junkyard, pulled them, and replaced them. Four-wheel drive works. This one's equipped with the Select Track, so I have the two-wheel drive, the 4 part-time, the 4 full-time, the neutral, 4 low. Heat works, AC works. Now, as you can see if you move all this stuff. Sorry, but it's been through the whole chain. That's the factory radio that I have right here. You can see that. So I wasn't planning on replacing it. Like to listen to my music, I actually got this thing. But then I was at Walmart, and they had this head unit with those 4 speakers. Those 4 speakers for $29 on clearance. I couldn't say no. This dash kit was also from Walmart. It's a Metro dash kit for the Jeep. Fits perfect. So I got the dash kit. The wiring harness was like, so the dash kit was like $16. The wiring harness was like $10, and then the antenna thing was like $10. Not a big deal. All in, I'm probably at like 50 bucks. So $50 for a Bluetooth head unit is not bad. Like, it's not bad. Because this thing alone was like $20 down here. So like, I can't complain. Let me see if I can actually find you guys something to put on. stock speakers. The sounds, this with the stock speakers is so much better than the stock head unit with the stock speakers. But I'll get more on that in another video. I'm gonna do a quick video on how it is after I use it for a little bit. But yeah, I have this thingy up here too. I'm averaging 18 miles a gallon, which I can't complain about. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. She drives great. Just gonna do it. It just needs to get cleaned up a little bit more. I got some like brake fluid cleaner, brake clean. Rotella T5 to do an oil change because everyone says to run that in it, and they like it because they added zinc because it's a diesel. But like temperature holds, coolant holds, oil pressure holds. It's like everything seems fine on it. Now under the hood there is a slight valve cover gasket leak, just like the Scion. So I might get that taken care of. I might not. I don't care enough, honestly. It's a beater truck. It doesn't look like it's not dripping anywhere. Like, I don't know. So I can't actually tell if it's like an old leak that got fixed. But it just looks greasy. But yeah, everything works. 4-wheel drive works. 4-high works. It drives great. So for you're probably wondering how much I paid for this. Sight unseen, I paid $1,300, $1,750 out the door. So $1,300 for this Jeep. And I've already I got it with 214,000 and like 50 miles. Now I'm at 214,550. So I already put 500 miles on it. Starts up. That inline 6 is so smooth. No clunks, no rattles. Like the Scion had a clunk. I don't know if you guys remember that, but this thing, like, no clunks, no rattles. The only sound is the stuff shuffling around in the trunk and stuff falling down. But yeah, I mean, I can't complain. I can't complain. So we're gonna, the things I have planned for this is, what do I call it? Rough country, 2.5-inch lift kit. And then if I can find some like Wrangler tires and rims and something a little bit bigger, like that, go up to like 31s, 33s max. And then yeah, with the lift and the tires, I don't see myself doing anything else. I am going to the junkyard right now to get those fenders. I'm kind of looking to see if I can find the crossbars for the top like roof. And if I can find those, then I might just buy a roof rack to just make it more off-roady, then mount a light bar to it on the top. I don't know. The world is my oyster at this point. Now with my Jeep, the world is my oyster. And headlights. I need new headlights. But other than that, she drives great. I think it's a good purchase. Tell me what you guys think. What should I be watching out for with these Jeeps? How do you not roll it over on the highway? Because every time I take like a turn on the highway, I feel like I'm gonna die. Or is it just a normal Jeep thing? But yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys.